Hi! In front of me is OPPO A98 and today I would like to show you how you can check saved Google passwords. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now click on your email account and tap on the preferable one, in my case this one. Finally, click on Autofill section, tap on Autofill with Google, and select Passwords. Now tap on one of your apps or website where autofill is used. I will go with Facebook. Now to see your password, enter your current login method and tap on this eye icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!